Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
This sales page that you're on right now has been built with the help of SiteFlow AI. Almost 50% of the websites that you see on a daily basis are done with AI. And now SiteFlow lets you do that much more easily. You simply log into SiteFlow and you're met with your very own AI right here. So let's just ask you to do something very basic for us. Let's ask you to design a landing page from one of the suggestions right here. I'm just going to click immediately start working on it, as you can see right here. And done. We can see it right here. We can scroll through it and we can obviously then change it and talk with it right here. One of the other very cool things is that everything is hosted by SiteFlow. So you don't have to own a domain. You don't have to own anything other than a SiteFlow account, because you'll have your very own link right here with your website that you can do whatever you want with. You have access to the code itself, so if you want to download it, put it somewhere else, if you want to look through it, if you're curious, you can absolutely do that. Similarly, if you want a different design, if you want a different feel to the website, you can ask for that. You can fully customize whatever you build. And that's not even the coolest part of SiteFlow. You get an inbuilt file manager where you can upload your images, your folders, your files, whatever you need for your website. You can create your very own databases so you can have fully functional applications within SiteFlow, and a very cool place where you can see all of your awesome projects. Like this one affiliate marketing landing page that we made for SiteFlow. That if I just go ahead and I open it right here, I can click on this and it sends me straight to the SiteFlow sales page using my affiliate link. And with integrated support, integrated awesome training, and with a 30-day money-back guarantee, SiteFlow is absolutely worth a try. So check it out right now. I can't wait to see you inside and I can't wait to see what you think of it.